Not even a month ago, I made a video about unlimited OCR that many of you liked. After that, a follower reached out with a problem they were having with an OCR chatbot. I figured this was a common issue, so I decided to make a new video to help them and other developers. Many companies are now developing knowledge bases, retrieval augmented generation, and question answering. These techniques all rely on a fundamental capability: converting unstructured documents into machine-readable text. How was this done in the past? The industry generally adopted an assembly line approach. Simply put, several models worked together, with each one responsible for a specific task. One model analyzed the document layout, another recognized text, a third identified formulas, and a fourth organized tables. The outputs were then combined to produce the final result. It sounds reasonable, but in practice, this approach comes with several challenges: high maintenance costs, complex deployment, and most importantly, error propagation. If one stage makes a mistake, that error can carry through the entire pipeline, often leading to poor or even nonsensical results. OvisOCR2 tackles this problem with a completely different approach: an end-to-end model. Instead of relying on multiple specialized models working together, it uses a single model to process the entire document. In a way, it replaces an assembly line of specialists with one highly skilled expert who can handle the whole task from start to finish. You give it a document image, and Ovis OCR2 can process text, tables, mathematical formulas, images, and complex document layouts all at once. Titles, paragraphs, formulas, HTML tables, reading order, and visual regions are generated in a single pass, eliminating the need for multiple processing stages. It can even capture charts and images using HTML tags with coordinate information, making it easier to integrate the output into downstream applications such as paper analysis, knowledge-based construction, retrieval augmented generation pipelines, and document data cleaning. So, let me give you a quick demo of the live chatbot to show you how everything works. Today, I'll be putting Ovis OCR2 to the test on 4 key challenges: formula recognition, table recognition, reading order, and handwritten text. Let's start with formula recognition. I've uploaded an image containing complex mathematical formulas. As you can see, the model does an excellent job extracting complex mathematical formulas. It accurately captures Greek symbols, square roots, and nested fractions while keeping the original structure of each equation. Even long formulas that span multiple lines are generated cleanly, with brackets, operators, and mathematical relationships preserved. Next up is table recognition, one of the most challenging tasks in document OCR. Tables come in many formats. Some have clear borders, while others have none at all, and they often contain dense numerical data that models can easily misread. I tested Ovis OCR2 on several table examples, and its accuracy was genuinely impressive, consistently preserving both the structure and content of the tables. Another major challenge is understanding document structure and reading order. Modern documents often use complex and highly varied layouts, making them much harder to process accurately. You might see multi-column designs, text mixed with images, folded pages, color printing, tilted scans, or handwritten notes, all of which can make OCR more difficult. And the correct reading order isn't always as simple as going from top to bottom and left to right. What makes Ovis OCR2 stand out is its ability to analyze the entire page to determine what belongs together, what comes first, and how the information should be read. The result is a much more natural reconstruction of complex documents. Finally, Ovis OCR2 does an impressive job of converting messy cursive handwriting into clean, readable text. It correctly recognizes challenging words and accurately captures most punctuation, including commas and apostrophes. It only misses a few periods at the end of sentences. The speed is also impressive, processing more than 1,000 characters in around 8 seconds. With an accuracy score of 0.88, Ovis OCR2 handles difficult handwritten notes with relatively few errors. making it a reliable tool for quickly converting handwriting into digital text. Definitely stay tuned throughout the end of this video. If you guys haven't followed me, I highly recommend that you do so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. Lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn the notification bell, like this video, and check out previous videos because there is a lot of content that you will definitely benefit from. So that thought, let's get right back into the video. The most striking feature of this model is its size, only 800 million parameters. In today's world where parameters often reach tens or even hundreds of billions, this size is remarkably small. The model is based on Qwen 3.5 to 0.8 billion. Its training data combines real-world documents with synthetic data, while the training process integrates supervised fine-tuning, reinforcement learning, and on-policy distillation. This can be understood as follows. Supervised fine-tuning teaches the model how to parse documents and format its outputs. Reinforcement learning then improves the overall quality of those outputs, while on-policy distillation provides stronger teacher supervision based on the model's actual generation process. This helps reduce the gap between training and inference. In addition to OmniDoc Bench, official reports show that OvisOCR2 achieved the highest AVG3 score of 75.06 on PureDoc Bench. PureDoc Bench includes 3 tracks: clean, digital degradation, and realistic degradation. These tracks cover text, formulas, tables, and reading order, making the benchmark more representative of real-world deployment scenarios such as scanning, compression, and photography. Regarding its limitations, the official report acknowledges that complex and realistic documents may still contain missing content, duplicated outputs, or errors in table and formula structures. For critical business applications, manual verification is still required. Choosing the right OCR model ultimately depends on the type of documents you need to process. For complex English documents with multi-column layouts and dense tables, OvisOCR2 stands out for its balance of accuracy and efficiency. Its end-to-end structured output and lightweight 0.8 billion parameter size make it particularly practical for these workloads. For more general OCR tasks, GOT-OCR 2.0 offers a more versatile solution. Its smaller parameter size and faster inference make it well suited for straightforward text extraction. For Chinese documents, PaddleOCR is a strong choice. It is specifically optimized for Chinese text recognition and provides fine-grained control through its multi-stage pipeline. Ultimately, there is no single model that is best for every document. The right choice depends on the document type, language, and required accuracy. These models can also be combined into a single pipeline, with each model handling the part of the workflow it is best suited for. This work effectively demonstrates how specialized OCR, general multimodal models, and element-level rewards can work together. It provides a more streamlined and consistent open-source solution for paper processing, data cleaning, coding, and formula parsing. Its 0.8 billion parameter size also makes it well suited for local deployment, and it has already been adapted for virtual large language model inference. Licensed under the Apache 2.0 license, it is available for download and testing through the Moda community.